Try this on the next job site you're on. You might get promoted, you might get fired. Edit down where it's supposed to go. Then you tack it up. Don't ever screw next to the boxes. Once the sheet's tacked up, you mark out all the boxes, get them ready for the router. It's always best to chop it in a little bit with the hatchet. It saves on your router bits and makes your router bits go a lot further. And who doesn't like saving money? Lights, vents, boxes, switches, they're all the same. They all go counterclockwise with the router. That one looks pretty good. Taper won't have any detail on that. Now what do you do if you don't have a router? Well, this is what you do. You chop it in until you can see the box. Then you chop up, find the top, chop on the sides, chop to the bottom, and then you take a saw, just a handheld jigsaw, or you could use your pumpkin carving knife or whatever, steak knife. Go in around the outside edge at an angle. You gotta bevel the blade, heavy bevel. Run your razor knife up the stud side, straight up the stud side. And that's it. That's old school. That's what they did before they had power tools, and that's what you can do if you don't have any power tools, or if you might have broke your bit that day and you need to get through the rest of the day.